Hope that you're all doing fine. It's been so long since you last saw me and since I last interacted with you. But I wanted to come on to give you my honest feedback on a product that was sent to me. And I do thank the company that sent me this product. John Resources sent me these Yoruba flashcards, and I will be giving you my honest review of it so that you and your family are informed. I have had opportunities to use these cards with my students and children as well, and can tell you that both my children and students have enjoyed the cards. Rat.
Eku.
Eku. Mo ti ń kun. Eku. Ṣé a ṣe lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí? A ṣe lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí.
Ìyá mi ò bọ̀.
Ṣé ká tún ṣe? Rat. Kí ni ní Yorùbá?
Eku.
Eku. Eku. Re. Yeah. Rat ní Yorùbá ni eku. Okay. Kò burú. Kí ni snail ní Yorùbá? Kí ni ní Yorùbá? Ìgbín. The set of cards that I received comes with 4 decks of 30 cards in the categories of family in body parts, which is Ẹbí àti ẹ̀yà ara, days of the week, and numbers, that's ọjọ́, ọ̀sẹ̀, àti òǹkà. Fruits and foods, èso àti oúnjẹ. And the last category is animals. Animals are ẹranko. I decided to catch a snippet of my son and I using these cards. We randomly pull from the days of the week and fruits and foods decks. I honestly love these cards and would recommend them for your usage. The cards are slightly glossy, which makes them a bit durable. I love that they are made with Yoruba text on one side and English text on the other, both with a pictorial depiction of each of the words that is being flashed. So if you are looking for flashcards for your little ones, these are really, really nice and will help improve not just your child's Yoruba vocabulary, but yours as well. I truly appreciate John Resources for sending me these cards. I hope that the information that I have provided in this video is helpful to you who are watching. And I thank you all for watching this video. For more information of John Resources and the flashcards that you have seen in this video, go to @John the First on Instagram. That again is @John the First on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. And again, John, I know it took me some time to review these cards, but I do really appreciate you sending them to me. And I believe that you do have a good product here. Thank you. Bye.